I've done a lot of reviews recently on Chelsea Classical Studio Spike Lavender Oil and Gamblin Gamsol. Both are used for thinning oil paint, cleaning your paintbrushes, and other painting techniques that require the use of a solvent. Now, both of these are fantastic products, but I've wondered, and a lot of you have sent me messages on what are the key differences between these two products and which one should I pick. So let's do a straight up versus match between the two and find out what are the differences and what's important to you. Round one, composition. Petroleum derived versus natural. Gamblin Gamsol is an odorless mineral spirit, which means it's derived from petroleum distillates. It's formulated to have a low toxicity and low odor, making it an extreme popular choice for artists who prefer to work without that strong solvent smell. Lavender spike oil is derived from the spike lavender plant. It's a natural solvent that has a distinctive mild lavender scent to it. This is often favored by artists who prefer natural products or may have sensitivities to chemical solvents. Round two, odor. Basically odorless versus lavender scented. Gamblin Gamsol is specifically designed to be odorless or have a very mild odor to it, which can be an advantage for artists working in an enclosed space or those sensitive to strong solvent smells, just like me and my big nose. Spike lavender oil is a natural product, which means it's going to retain all the characteristics of that lavender scent. While many will find this scent very pleasant, there might be some out there that find it too strong or prefer an odorless spirit. Round three, toxicity. Low toxicity versus natural, but still maybe potentially harmful. Gamblin Gamsol is formulated to have an extremely low toxicity compared to traditional artist-grade mineral spirits and thinners. It's considered way safer to use indoors due to this low odor and reduced levels of harmful VOCs. When it comes to lavender oil, this oil right here is derived from a natural source, and it's generally considered to be way less toxic than petroleum-derived solvents like all artist-grade mineral spirits. It's also important to use proper ventilation when working with these products here or any artist-grade solvent. This will help minimize the exposure to potential harmful vapors that you may breathe in. Also, when it comes to this product right here, if you have any allergies to lavender, you may want to stay away from this and go more towards the Gamsol. Number four, drying time. Fast versus slow. Gamblin Gamsol is often used as a solvent for thinning oil paints and for cleaning brushes. It evaporates relatively quickly, helping oil paints dry faster when compared to the lavender spike oil. Now, kind of a cool thing about spike lavender oil is it does evaporate more slowly when compared to other artist-grade mineral spirits and even Gamblin Gamsol, which can extend the drying time and working time for your oil paints. This is obviously important if you're an artist that prefers way slower drying times for certain painting techniques that you need that time to work longer on your projects. Now, just to note, both of these products dry slower compared to other artist grade mineral spirits and odorless thinners that you can buy on the market. But when it comes to the pecking order of how things dry, this dries a little bit quicker than this. Round five, price, and right here is where we get to vote with our wallet. For 1 liter of Gamsol, it'll cost you right around 18 to 25 USD, while lavender spike oil will cost you a whopping 95 to 125 USD, and that is only for 16 ounces. Now, which one should you pick? I'm personally leaning towards the Gamblin Gamsol. Lavender spike oil is just way too expensive for me, but if you can afford it, this right here is the healthiest option for your studio. Or if you have any type of health condition, I would highly recommend you pay up for Chelsea Classical Studio Spike Lavender Oil. But you're most likely exactly like me. You're not rolling in cash, you might be working on your third OnlyFans. By the way, Smooth Toes in Paint.onlyfans help me out. I would recommend you go with Gamblin Gamsol. It's the best bang for your buck. Even though it's not a natural product, and yes, it is derived from petroleum, it's still extremely safe. In fact, it's the safest odorless mineral spirits / paint thinner that's artist grade on the market. I highly recommend this product. In fact, I won't paint without it. I'm gonna stick with Gamblin Gamsol until I make enough money either on this YouTube channel or that OnlyFans page to where I can pay up for the almighty Chelsea Classical Studio Spike Lavender Oil. If you want to learn more about both these products, because trust me, there's more to learn and I recommend that you check them out. I've got 2 videos that go into deep reviews over on the side. And if you do like this video and you want to help me out, I would really appreciate it if you can go down below, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and let me know what product you want to see me review next. I'll catch you all later, and as always, happy painting.